Hi everyone, my name is Samuel Jacques-Valliard. Today, I will present you a website that is linked to my field of study. My field of study is psychology, and I would like to become a psychologist. So, the site I'm going to show you is this one. The name of the site is PsychCentral. So, I will write on the address bar PsychCentral.com. So here we are on the website. So this is the main page of the website. On the top left corner of the website, you have the logo of the website, so PsychCentral. If you click on it, it will refresh the page. And here, this is the navigation menu to navigate on the website. So what's really important in this website is the conditions. So everything you need on this website is here. Like addictions, bipolar disorder, depression, everything. After that, there's the quizzes. So here you have all the tests you can do, like if you want to test if you have anxiety, depression, and all the other one. After quizzes, we have news and experts. This is what I want you to know. So here you can, if you want, ask a question to a therapist if you want. You have blogs and experts. So if I click here, so here there's a lot of books, a lot of blogs of different experts that they post here. If I go back on news and experts, there's daily psychology news. So every news that are made in psychology are here. There's also here podcasts on mental health. So yeah. So if I go back on the main page, I have the most important part on this website for me is there. So research and resources. So the encyclopedia is really important. Here you have a lot of words that are linked to psychology. So for example, if I want to try with anxiety, so yeah, it gives me the exact definition of the word. And yeah, if I go back on the encyclopedia, like you can see, like I said, there's a lot of words linked to my field of study. So if I need help with the psychology, I can find all the words I need here. So yeah. So I think that this website is really useful for people like me that have psychology like field of study. There's a lot of things you can learn, there's a lot of blogs, there's a lot of articles from experts that you can read and learn some stuff about psychology. So yeah, and I think it will help me in my my field of study. So yeah, it's a really good website, so I recommend you this website. So that's all for me. Thanks for listening to my videos. So have a good day.